guys, this is where I'm gonna leave Timisoara. So I showed you around town. It's awesome. There's so much more to see and do than I showed you. So make sure if you're gonna come to Romania, put Timisoara on your list. Now, if you're liking what I'm doing, as always, please like, comment, subscribe, leave some comments down below. Let me know what you thought. Just ask me some questions, whatever you want to do. I am super stoked to have spent this time in Timisoara. Reminds me a little of Bucharest, but a little bit of a smaller Bucharest. And as for Romania, it has my heart. I love it so much. It has always been on my bucket list. It's checked off now, but I will definitely have to come back and see more because there's more that I missed and cities that I didn't even see. Honestly, like, I'm going to have to come back, and I'm not upset about that. So guys, if you have a chance, come to Romania. It's super inexpensive. The people are super friendly. The food is amazing. The culture and the history is so rich and so unknown for a lot of the world. So make sure you check it out. And guys, that, like I said, is where I'm leaving Timisoara. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, oh, by the way, in the next video, we're gonna start our adventure through Hungary. So that's super exciting as well. But until then, safe journeys, guys. Talk to you later.